Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to know if your MacBook has a hardware issue. So the first thing you'll have to do is start your Apple diagnostics. So here we have a guide with Apple support, and as you can see right here, you can check if your Apple Silicon, if you're using an M series chip, you could use this method. If you're using an Intel processor chip, you can also use this. So everyone should have a Apple Silicon chip by now. So the first thing you'll have to do is hold your power button down. In every Mac, there's going to be one in the top right corner. Just hold that down. So as that goes on, you will have to actually turn on and load the startup options. Once you see that, just press and hold Command D on your keyboard, and then from there you will be asked to connect to your Wi-Fi, and then here you'll be able to view the results. As you can see, this is how it look like, because if I showed you, I'm going to shut it down and I'm not going to able to show you. So here, when testing is complete, the Apple diagnostic will show you one of more things like no issues found or other reference codes if it is actually faulty in your hardware. So to repeat this, just click the run the test again or press Command R. So there you go guys, that is how you find your issues if you have any hardware issues on your MacBook. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.